Hello everyone, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to enter the photo mode in Dying Light the Beast. Enjoy! So this is a very beautiful game, and as you can know, there is a photo mode that we can make screenshots from this game. So to do it we have to press the escape button, then get into the photo mode, and as you can see we get access to the camera in this game. We can choose the aperture, the lens, focus distance, zoom, roll, everything you can choose in the rear camera. We can filter the colors, we can use some visibility settings or additional FX options. We can hide the borders, use some projectile, use some filters. All depends of your preferences and needs. We can use the Z button to see grid lines, and also we can click the C button to use a free camera that allows us to fly around and see our model and what's around us. Well, if you want to hide it or exit it, then you have to click escape, then press space button to confirm it, and that's all. That was the photo mode that allows you to take pictures while playing this game and save it, for example, in your Steam gallery. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!